Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 21st, 1920. The acts done in the divine will remain confirmed in it. I was doing my acts in the most holy will of my Jesus, and he, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, as the soul does her acts in my will, her act remains confirmed in my will. That is, if she prays in my will, remaining confirmed in my will, she receives the life of prayer in such a way that she will no longer need an effort in order to pray, but will feel within herself the spontaneous promptness in praying. In fact, remaining confirmed in my will, she will feel within herself the fount of the life of prayer, almost like a healthy eye that makes no effort in seeing, but naturally looks at objects. It delights, it enjoys them, because it contains the life of light within the eye. But a sick eye, how many strains, how it suffers in looking. In the same way, if she suffers in my will, if she operates, she will feel within herself the life of patience, the life of operating in a saintly way. So, as her acts remain confirmed in my will, they lose weaknesses, miseries, and what is human, and remain substituted by founts of divine life.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.